What is up, guys? I'm Ace Crypto. Thank you very much for joining me today on the Ace Crypto YouTube channel. We're going to jump on into another market update. So it's been an interesting 24 hours with the BTC price and a few other things to go through. So the main thing I want to talk to you guys about today is going to be the XRP Swift integration. Fantastic news. First things first, BTC price. So as you can see there, we are down to about 95, just under 96k at the moment. This would have been a fantastic trade, but I missed it. I was doing other things. It is what it is. You can't win them all. Can't win them all. So this would have been a fantastic trade to take. There you go. 1, 2, 3 bounces, and pretty much they would have been your break of trend line. They would have been your retest, and this would have been your trade there. So I missed that one. It did bounce off the support. Absolutely textbook there. You can see we are proper bouncing off the support there. It is holding pretty strong, So there's a few other things we need to talk about today, guys. Number one is going to be the BTC price. BTC price is down to 90, yeah, like I just said, just under 96k. Ethereum hasn't really been doing a lot over the past, 3 months. It's been pretty solid. Ethereum not really doing much. As we call it, a dormant coin at the moment, so nothing really to talk about there. XRP price. It's steady Eddie. As you can see, a lot of coins follow the Bitcoin price. You can see there, when Bitcoin moves, the rest of the market moves. So there's a few different things to talk about today. One of the most important is going to be this here. Ripple is now integrated with Swift. So this is fantastic news. Absolutely fantastic for the world of crypto. So if you guys don't know, Swift is basically the payment system that banks use to send money back and forth. It is quite expensive is the only thing with Swift. It costs a lot of money and you can't do it on weekends, and it takes a couple of hours to get through. So it's not the most efficient. They're running on very, very old software. So integrating Ripple is fantastic. If you notice, it says Ripple and not XRP. Ripple's the company, XRP is the coin. Remember that one. They are two distinct things. But it's nice to see the Ripple is going forward in the right way. Absolutely fantastic news there. The more integration we see with Ripple, the better, because obviously Ripple and XRP go hand in hand together. This doesn't mean the Swift is integrated with XRP at the moment. It's mainly integrated with Ripple. So very, very interesting and very, very bullish for XRP for the future, because there is a use case for XRP, and that is cross-border payments. And what does Swift do? Cross-border payments. Fantastic. Fantastic news. So hopefully that's going to hold quite strong in the next, couple of months. I hope to see XRP do phenomenal things. Is it going to $10,000 a coin? No. Very, very, very much doubt that. A lot of people think it's going to go to $200 a coin, $1,000 a coin. Very, very much doubt that. Usually because, if you do the market cap, sums, essentially you end up with astronomical amounts of money through XRP, which is possible in the future, but not in the near future, put it that way. So there's a few different things to talk about today. This is the FTX. Remember FTX with Sam Bankman-Fried? We were talking about it yesterday. So FTX apparently is going to start repaying customers. Absolutely fantastic news there if they do. So that is something that we will be following. Hopefully they do this, and a lot of people will be able to gain their money back, which they lost through Sam Bankman-Fried's idiocy. I say idiocy, he did it on purpose. We all know and we all saw it, live. He rugged the entire market. We all saw it. So hopefully this is some good news for FTX, and hopefully some good news for you if you did lose some money through FTX. So jumping on over, what was this one we got there? Pulse Chains. This is an interesting one. Pulse Chain and Hex, Richard Hart. So Pulse Chain is another layer 2 essentially, like Ethereum, like Solana, a few other bits and bobs. And basically they're burning coins, they're burning Pulse X. So the more they burn, which means the supply is less, which means the price goes up. So we can see a decent amount of movement over the past couple of months with Pulse Chain. Absolutely fantastic. Where do we know? 60 cents, 64 cents. Absolutely fantastic. We're probably going to reach $1 at some point in the near future, I'd imagine. That wouldn't be too far away from reality. So hopefully we do see some good stuff from Richard Hart. He's an interesting guy, old Richard Hart, I gotta be honest. He's a 45-year-old guy that walks around with Gucci on. He's an absolute lunatic. And a lot of people believe in Richard Hart. More than they believe in someone called, Vitalik Buterin with Ethereum, because he's a bit of an alien, as we've all seen. Very odd guy, Vitalik Buterin. Very, very odd. Richard Hart's a bit more down to earth. Well, I wouldn't say down to earth. A bit more real, let's put it that way. He's not very down to earth. His personality is very, very up there, but I wouldn't say down to earth, but he is more of a real human being, whereas Vitalik Buterin is a bit of an alien. Definitely a bit of an alien. What else we got to talk about today? BlackRock increases GME positions. So GME, as we know, is GameStop. So basically, GameStop is, there was some pictures released, if I can find it. That's Dave Portney. There we go. So this is the CEO of GameStop there, and that is Michael Saylor. Yep, Michael Saylor from MicroStrategy, or just Strategy. They've changed their name. Really, really interesting stuff there. Like, and I will show you quickly the GME chart. So we are bottoming out pretty well there. So like a lot of people saying the bottom is in, and well, you can see BlackRock. Where was it? BlackRock increasing GME positions, 2.5 million shares. And now that is really interesting because we saw the GameStop crash. What was that? Last year, year before? I can't even remember now. But there was a massive surge, you know, because memes basically took over the internet over the past 5 to 6 years, maybe a bit more. Meme coins, meme stocks, memes everywhere. Like this is basically the world we live in now, you know, the world we live in where people, degens, people who sit behind the computer all day like me, can invest in shares, invest in things that they want to go up personally. So that's really, really interesting there. If we do see a movement in the GameStop price over the next couple of hours, next couple of days, that would be really, really interesting. So something to consider, guys. I wouldn't say investing in this right away, but just wait and see what happens. Because if BlackRock are increasing their position, good signs, you know. BlackRock are one of the biggest investors on the planet. So if we do see this going in the right direction, then you know why. BlackRock. Everything's to do with BlackRock. Everything's to do with fucking BlackRock. BlackRock, Vanguard, there's a few others out there. Larry Fink. Larry Fink isn't stupid. He is not a stupid man. Next up, Dave Portnoy. Dave Portnoy, I think he was the guy who did food reviews, I think. Was it food reviews? I'm pretty sure it was food reviews. Anyway, basically, he's been jumping in on the crypto market, been jumping in on the meme coin market. Really, really interesting. Don't really know what to say about it, to be honest with you. It's just another celebrity getting involved in the meme coin market, as a lot of them are. They're seeing dollar signs everywhere, and the first thing they can think is to get involved. So Dave Portnoy getting involved, and he's basically saying, to all the shitcoiners crying right now, we all know the rules. We're all trying to make a buck. Nobody's misleading anybody. If you were buying and selling shitcoins, you're prepared to lose your investment. And he's not wrong there. You have to be prepared to lose your investment. Shitcoins is gambling, literally gambling. It's a casino. So that's quite an interesting thing that's happened over the past 24 hours is Dave Portnoy getting involved in cryptocurrencies. PlayStation Network is down. PlayStation Network is down hard. Not too sure if it's back up now. I might have a check later, jump on and see if it's still down. Not cool, PlayStation. We want to play some games. Next up, Kanye. So Kanye apparently is not doing a coin. I make products, and I only do things I am passionate and knowledgeable about. That's complete lies. He does what he likes. I'm too rich to do anything else. Coins prey on the fans with hype, which he isn't. He's right with that one. Just like hyped up sneaker culture. That's literally what he makes his money doing is hyped up sneaker culture. So I don't really know what he's saying here. But apparently he's not doing a coin. So thing is, you can't believe anything Kanye says because he's off his fucking head. But like, this is the most recent tweet about an hour ago. So apparently he's not doing a coin. And apparently he was paid to... there we go. Kanye West rejects $2 million offer to promote EE coin. So basically, apparently he had a DM. I don't think it's going to show the DM in this... No. So basically, he had a DM saying, will you rug your fans, essentially? Will you promote a fake Kanye coin and then a couple of hours later tell the fans that you were hacked? Not cool, guys. Not cool. It's definitely not something we like to see in the crypto market. You know, rugging your fans is not a good thing. We've seen that with Hawk Tui Girl. She rugged her fans and look how popular she was over the past couple of weeks. There was death threats. There was loads of awful things happening to her, like, you know, because she did rug everybody. Tragic. Yeah, so we've done the Michael Saylor situation as well. So it's been a rather interesting couple of hours. What else have we got to talk about? Yeah, the GameStop prices. Kanye. Yep, that's pretty much all that's been going on in the news the past 24 hours, to be honest with you. So I hope you guys got some value from that. And let's see what happens in the next 24 hours. So let's jump on back to BTC chart. Just to have a little look to see what's going on here. Let's jump on the 5-minute. Just so we can give you guys a bit of a 1-2. So it looks like we got a bit of a capitulation, a bit of sideways movement. So nothing really to report there. Doesn't really look like there's a trend happening there, to be honest with you. So something to consider. Could draw a trend line. Bang, bang, bang. So we've got 3 there, maybe. And we can see if this breaks above, we might be able to get into a trade here. This is how easy trading can be with trend line, guys. You literally draw a few trend lines and basically go from there. So we can see if we do break this trend channel and come up, then we are looking for some longs. So something to consider in the next 24 hours or so. So thank you very much for joining me today, guys. I will catch you tomorrow. Thank you very much.